Got a big order coming in? A single high ticket transaction can put your account on hold if your processor is not ready for it. Here is a quick way to prepare. Make a simple list of your expected large transactions. Anything over 10K, for example. Add notes that show what the order is for. This way, you've got documentation ready to prove the payments are legitimate if your processor asks. Large payments are great for growth, but they also raise red flags with many processors. Without preparation, even one big order can trigger a freeze while the bank reviews it. By keeping a record of your high ticket sales and the reason behind them, you are protecting your business from unnecessary interruptions. With EasyPay Direct, you don't have to worry about whether a large transaction will go through. They support unlimited high ticket processing and can route transactions intelligently, so your sales keep moving without delays. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They also provide chargeback mitigation tools which help keep your account safer when you are handling larger payments. If you're preparing for bigger orders and don't want processor holds to slow you down, EasyPay Direct is the best way to stay protected. You will find the link in the description when you are ready to get started.